So what do you guys got to do this game?
We have to pretty much get 30 guys in the bank,
but they're all, you guys are spawning here and they're kind of just already spawn camping you, right?
Yeah, I guess, pretty much.
Hey, go behind you. Yeah, go.
There you go.
What? All right, Arthur, suppress the fire. Arthur,
Go.
you take right, I'll take left. Go.
We need some clear, come on.
awesome.
Match that, everybody. Shake your zone, please.
Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. He's not letting anything come by him, bro. Nice, bro.
Glorious victory for the camo team. The one and only victory we had all day.
So far, you still got more games, man. You still got more games.
MILSIMJUNKIE, bitch.
That's a new one. Shoot, don't dance. What the? It's too much SOCOM.
I know.
This dude doesn't have shoes or boots. He's never had boots. Yeah, it's pretty been a game. So, the gentleman that you just saw was Chris T. Actually doesn't own a pair of boots. He's been playing for a couple of years now. And so what I'm gonna do, you guys remember the review on these. These are the Spider Urbans 8.1s, size 12. Let's see if we can get them to. Chris, how long have you been playing, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been playing about 2 years.
And you have never thought about buying a pair of boots?
I've never ever thought about buying a pair of boots.
Why?
Because, I don't know, I just guess I'm cheap. I don't know. I just think it's
He's too broke, people. He's too broke. And he's super pale, by the way. This lighting makes him look like powder. Get out of the light. Get out of the light. All right, so what I'm going to do is give you a pair of boots.
Magnum,
I'm going to give you a pair of
awesome. I'm going to try on your shoes, but I more than likely know that these shoes are awesome because they are Magnum boots.
Boom. There you go, bro. Pass it forward, man.
Thank you.
State your name and who you are.
My name is Tyler,
Yeah?
and
How long have you been airsofting for?
I've been in airsoft for a year and a half, probably 2 years.
What made you want to really start playing?
Just the fun of the game.
Nice, bro. I mean, that's awesome that you're still playing the game that you like to play. Dude, you don't let it go, you know, it doesn't bother you? People don't get, you know, hesitant like to shoot you, or what, they don't really notice?
They don't even notice, and they don't hesitate.
Yeah. And what do you have to say to other people out there, like, you know, that have disabilities that want to play airsoft or play a sport that they want to play?
Never give up and just keep doing it and try. And
try.
When you fall down like that, you need to get back up and find a way.
Yeah.
Go through all of it and find out.
Cool, bro. I appreciate it, Ty. Hey, man. Good job, dude. Badass of the day, guys. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, bro. Thumbs up.
What's your pin say?
What do my team say?
Your pin.
Oh, it says, this is what awesome looks like. There you go. I need to know.
You do have glasses. Oh! This is what ugly looks like.
That's funny.
Door, don't block the door. Don't block the door. Let him out, let him out, let him out. Go. Go. That kid was stuck. You guys left him.
It's custom.
Hey, hey, check this out. Look at this. Look at this.
It's custom.
Did you make it?
Yep.
Like they show you your little gun. Are you putting that on YouTube?
I don't know, am I? Would I like to? Would you want me to?
Yes.
Yeah? Just this section right now? No. No? So you want me to cut you out?
Wait.